Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So I'm just going to make a quick video about the Retevis A3 or Retevis, or however you want to pronounce it. Now this is not a scripted video, as you can probably tell, and this isn't actually going to be a review video. I'm just going to play you some clips in a moment so that you can make up your own mind whether this radio is worth a review or not. Now I actually have this radio in hand, as you can see here. I'm not one of those YouTubers that sit there looking at a brochure and reading a brochure to you. I think that's absolutely pathetic. But whatever you want to do to make views, that's up to you. But this radio, there's only one good thing about this, and that's right there on the screen now. You can see it comes with a telescopic antenna, and I think that's about the only thing that I'm going to keep from this box of parts. But anyway, I'll play you the clips, and then you can make up your own mind. This video doesn't have any power testing, doesn't have any spurious emissions. It's just literally showing you how good or bad the receive is on HF. Now, I know it looks exactly like another radio that I reviewed before on the channel that I actually hammered to death and threw across the garden, which triggered quite a lot of you. But I'm not going to do that with this radio, even though it deserves it. But take a listen to this. No more from me. Enjoy the rest of the week. And tomorrow I've got another video coming out, and that will definitely be worth a watch because it is actually a really good radio. But you have to wait till tomorrow to find out. Anyway, take care, everyone. Have a listen to this. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Until tomorrow, see you tomorrow.